Hello guys and welcome to another update on Coai coin. Today we're gonna talk about Coai coin. This is Aya coin by the way. So I have seen Aya coin and yesterday I've seen Aya coin doing something good. Closed with a bullish candlestick, which is good news because if it holds this support here on 0.65 16 cents, then Aya coin mm, can do can do a bullishness move up to 0.42 cents. But anyways, I'm going to talk about Coai coin, and please guys do not take me as financial advice. I'm just telling my opinion, what will happen with the coin. I'm also invested on that coin. I'm holding like 100,000 of it, of the Coai coin. So yes, let's get on it. Coin on the daily time frame, we can see that it hasn't done too much. It has gone much lower, as you can see it right now. So if we can say that the coin is actually accumulating on this zone, I mean, you can call it this accumulation. I'm calling a bearish move because the coin is still going more down. Basically, what we can see, the Coai coin actually created a lot of resistance. 0.37, we have resistance on 0.40, 0.44, 0.57, 0.86. Well, there's the resistance. $1, $1.2, and so on, so on. So actually, all this yellow line is Coin needs to get these lines to get it up, because these are all liquidations. Uh, Based on what I'm seeing right now, is that Coin yesterday it just pulled down to 0.34 cents, and right now it's sitting on 0.3465 cents, but it can go lower. It can go lower. It can go much lower to 0.30, maybe 0.25 cents. If we see the liquidation heat map, we can see that Coin here on 0.33 cents is all the liquidates the longs. Now all these months, like it has like 3-4 months that the Coin has been created, uh, or has been found. We can see that Coin hasn't done so much. It went like for 2-3 weeks up and then just straight down, and then from there then it's always has gone down, and it started accumulating on a zone from $1 to 0.8 cents. Sorry, 0.35 cents. So it's slowly going bearish. Now people call it the smart money move because the smart money move means when a price goes up and falls down, they gradually accumulated, but accumulated for down, because when it accumulates for down, the people who have bought the coin and who still buying the coin, they're not giving it hope this coin will go up. So what one the market makers want, that these people that are buying the coin want to sell it and to forget about this coin, so they can move it up and they can gain more money and not the others. uh so that's what our most of the analyzers are telling, that okay, the smart movie right now is the smart move, or what they call it. They are waiting it for this coin to make a big move, basically. But in my idea, I don't like this accumulation, because if we see it on a monthly time chart, it's 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 bullish. It's bearish. We can see too much bearishness of this chart. So I mean, if we do it, this is not where we watch it. We have to watch it from the BitGet, because BitGet on the spot has good. Sorry. BitGet on the spot has more good vision to watch it, because that's the first. I think that's the first exchange to accept Coin. So if we see it here, if we see it right here, we can see that Coai is sitting on the last support zone on the monthly time chart. So if on this monthly time chart it closes with a greenish candlestick or with a doji morningstar bullish doji morningstar candle on the monthly time chart, then we can say okay, this coin might just again pump for up. But for now, there's a lot of redishness, like 3 months of reddish of this coin. um, if we see it on Aya is doing good. So basically on Aya is same. Yeah, yeah, basically Aya is doing good. It's same. Like it went down here to 0.11 cents, pushed up to 0.48 cents, and I think it will push more up. I think in my thinking, do not get me forget that this coin might just pop again up. So yeah, based on when you see Aya here, that can happen to Coai coin. So I mean, I'm looking right now the chart. I have never seen the chart on a monthly time frame. I'm looking here at the monthly time frame. I think Coai coin looks more good than Aya coin. Aya coin lost its support zone here on 0.54 cents on the monthly time chart, while Coin coin hasn't lost it yet. It's still above the support zone, and if it keeps holding like that, well, this will be fun then. Yeah, this will be fun. So yes, that's what we. Sorry, I thought that. So yes, this is the part two. Sorry, that's what I'm thinking about for this coin. That the Coin coin is, if it sits above this line here, 0.25 and up, I think Coin coin might just pump again and make a pump. But right now, nobody's watching it. Nobody's watching this coin, and people are focusing more on other coins, penguin coins, hype coins, and whatever coins, and they have let Coin coin behind because. But I think if Coin coin pushes to $1, I think then when the hype will turn to this coin, and this coin might again pump and do all-time high to 25 and more. So this is only a speculative thing, so I'm not sure about that. But if we see it on the liquidation heat map, we can see that Coin coin on the 2 weekly time frame maybe, or weekly time frame is better showing up on the Binance. This is on Binance. We can see this coin, the main liquidations are staying above 0.45 cents, which is good news. But there's main slightly thing is that there's also liquidity on 0.33, which I told you before. If you heard me, I'm not sure. Look at this, 0.33. So first of all, it needs to clear the liquidity that is sitting down to get up. So yeah, based on my expectation is the Coai coin. This is on Binance. If you can see the liquidation heat map, based on my expectation, coin needs to drop off and then goes back up. Now, if we see it on Max, because on Max we have zero fee and people are trading Coin coin more on Max than on Binance and BitGet. There's no data. Let me refresh this and let me do it like this. Max coin. Coin. If we do it on a Max coin, we can see that this coin actually the liquidity is in 24 hours sitting up, which is good news. But you see it on the monthly time frame, liquidity is still up. Monthly time frame, 2 weekly time frame. I don't know why they changed it, but actually the graph showed you the liquidity heat map till $20, but I don't know why they changed it. Maybe I have pressed something, but this is not the correct liquidation heat map. the graph showed you till $20. You can see all liquidity. Also, yes, we can see that 0.46 is the next target for this coin. So based on my expectation, this coin can go to 0.33, destroy this longs here, and then goes back for the shorts. When this coin will go back up, when this coin will start its rally, I don't really know, but based on what we have seen it before, this coin starts its own rally when it starts moving up with a huge pump candle. So if this coin starts moving up with a huge pump candle and it starts moving up for 1 day in $1 here, not 0.55, on $1, then it will regain the hype. People will start, okay, looking around, look, this coin is doing something pretty well, and I think then the hype will turn and the bullishness of this coin will turn back up. And yes, that's all for today. And if you can see on the X platform, you can see that Coai coin has actually are doing a project and they're presenting on February. I'm not sure. You can see on their webpage, and they actually have bought many millions of coin. So the coin won't go more down, which is a bullishness sign. But you can see it on their platform on X. So yes, that's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope I see you on another video. Adios.